just hold one of them.
Alright, I'll just hold Trank.
We're getting tight. We're getting tighter and tighter. Let's just keep it going.
Yeah, hats coming in. This is the spike, just ignore it. Remember the spike does a little bit damage 6 yards apart when they spawn, so try not to be on top of the yellow if you can.
Alright, be fun.
Ads are out. I'll let you interrupt this one. So
You should be able to convoke this
Commuting.
if you haven't used it yet.
Yep, we're good. I saved it for that.
Let's just do a lot of damage with just one.
Alright, push him quickly. Good. Alright, we're gonna have him at around 40% mana when he comes back up, so.
if you can help with the misdirect for the tanks up here. Range, you get the one in the back.
Alright, we're phasing.
Shell for cleave.
I got the abomination.
Keep them stacked so we don't have double cleave.
Hold on.
Use ads
I lost
for
the taunt
beef.
here. He's gonna run around at you for a second, beef. Just don't worry about it.
Wait.
One more heads in the back for beef. Spike.
I'm taking him right on top of the spike here, so just make sure that you're not like too close to that spike.
This is good. Stay there. Don't move. Safe spot for us. The yellow one is about to explode.
Alright, good. Alright, taunt.
As they're coming in. Yep, that's good. Good placement for the stacks.
I still have my big cooldowns.
Okay, you're probably gonna need it for this one.
Try to get all three of these spikes down at the same time, guys.
I'll do
That way it's easier on their healers.
Don't touch the yellow one if you can.
Dropping my cooldown.
Get the ads down. We don't want VL. We don't want VL. Big ads need to die so we don't lose soul. Beef. Let's go. Get the work on the small skeleton. Jump.
Taunt.
Slow on the bus. Get those ads down. And stack on that near the bus if you can. Push, 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 push. Personally, if you're standing and shit in your route.
Alright, here we go. Remember, lower DPS, we gotta get it to 40 or to 20%, not 30. So make sure we stay for the whole time.
Just avoid everything you can.
Range work on the Reavers if you can. For the cleave
Push,
when you
push.
come out.
We gotta push lower. We gotta push now. Alright, we're coming out.
And we're going to get smacked in the face.
Drop the cooldown now.
I did train.
Fractures coming in.
Come on.
Got him. Good job, guys. Good job.
I'm sorry. Drop
It's fine. It's
No,
fine.
it's
It's we're not in trouble. Get the last ads for beef down.
What cooldowns do we have up right now? Mark?
I got all mine.
We
Mark,
still
there's
have dark
green.
on both.
Get the
So
small
here's
skeletons out. Okay, work on the yellow and orange. Yellow and orange only.
I have no cooldowns.
I'll take
No,
this.
Mark
one.
has
I'll
it.
pop
Tree.
the darkness.
Personals here, please. Use personals. Taunt beef.
I got it.
Get on the ads. Get on the ads. Don't let them cast.
Stay alive. Use your pots. Use whatever it is you need to.
How many seconds to rally
Go.
and cry?
Work on the ads.
good.
The we need tanks ads to die. Come on, guys. Good job.
Come on.
Got him.
What cooldowns do we have right now?
That's okay. I have chicken.
We get 3 ads for the tanks.
Need soak on me.
So
Yeah, do you have one?
that one of the ads of beef needs to die. Kill the small skeleton if you can, slow them or stun. Good job.
Alright, beef taunt.
Fractures. Got lucky 2 of them were stacks.
Alright, cooldowns? What's cooldowns?
I have chicken.
I have
We're
one
going to
cooldown
get
second.
spike. So we want to kill 2 of them guys.
Okay, Mark.
Push,
Can you
get
cover
the
this?
boss on top of the spike if you can. So we can cleave everything down. It needs to be pushed before the next. Okay, 1 coming down,
This is gonna
2.
be a shit show.
and 3.
Good job. Perfect. That's how it needs to happen in heroic.
Get away from the
too.
middle.
It's exactly how it needs to happen in heroic.
I'm not popping anything right now, so everyone watch your ass.
Yep.
As soon as you guys come out, I want lust. I want the boss on top of everything, and watch for the
Ouch.
cleave.
Alright, we're getting ready to come out.
Go.
We're coming out.
Cool down.
Beef, I got the
Potions.
boss.
Oh, my bad.
Work on the boss. Kill the abominations. Get out of that. Get out of that.
Ashen Hollow's down.
Soak on me.
Stand in the red.
Oh, careful there.
I got it first, Daya.
Beef, we need to relocate to the rear right.
Alright, Daya, you're next.
Immuning.
Thank you.
Hold here, Beef.
Ashen Hollow's over.
All cooldowns here, guys. All cooldowns.
I get darkness up for the next
I'll
one.
dispel this.
Stack
I'll
up.
dispel this. I'll dispel this. I have trank up.
I got
You
the
get-
abomination, Beef. I got the
Yep,
abomination.
just make sure you watch for the cleave. Get out of that.
Watch the mouse.
Step in the blue. Step in the blue instead of the cleave. It's safer. Burn it down.
Burn this bitch. Yeah!
What a loser! Yeah!
Good job.
Oh, nothing.
I did it!
Wow.
Absolutely nothing.
Yay!
I got the shoulder.
I got one of the shards I need for healing. I don't even
Yay!
use that anymore.
Nice.
I got a frost conduit.
They want me to be Resto Shaman. I want to shoot myself.
I
Why
got
do you want me to
station
shoot myself?
members.
Wait, give me the frost conduit now.
Roll in the neck.
Oh,
Really?
Roll in the neck.
yes!
Oh my
Fuck
god,
you.
100.
I needed a neck. I took something from you, Dea. Give me my haste.
Oh, I'm so upset.
You'll be
Nice.
alright. We'll get it
Damn,
again.
only 57.
I don't think anyone's beating him.
Alright, hey, go ahead and I
was
don't know how
trying
the
to
fuck
get
we're supposed to
out.
get out of here quickly.
Hearth.
Click the death gate.
And then we need to
Wait.
get out of here, and we got about 30 minutes left to raid. I want to try and push some bosses on normal.
I'm too
on
good.
the original clear.
I'm too good for
Sylvanas?
normal.
I don't know.
We're
how
doing
to
that
it
takes us
right?
to
Yeah,
Sylvanas.
I don't think this week.
I don't know about you, but Savant is the. No,
we
no,
all-
I don't want to be here. Let us
we
leave.
all-
Let us leave.
It's like
Why we all
come
doing
hero.
that? Why we- Is that part of the
gonna-
mechanic?
It's
I'm
like
gonna
heroes.
stay up here with my wife.
Where are you going, heroes?
Hey, babe, what's good?
Hey, that's my wife.
Oh boy, here we go.
Is there an easy way to get out of this?
What do you think? We should just hearth and
Yeah,
then run
just hearth.
back?
Just get the hell out of here.